Here we're gonna see how to connect the onmydisk connector on the internet. Here is the box. The yellow Ethernet goes to my router. I'm gonna connect the USB connector on a power bank, so I will protect from power outage. Here we're gonna see the light. It boots up, so we have to wait a little bit. Now we are okay, and I'm gonna connect the USB Okay, now we're gonna see on the computer how to set up the connector.
So here we are. First of all, you have to visit onmydisk.net and register an account. Now you have to visit the URL connector.local or the direct IP of your connector. Then enter the username admin and as password use onmydisk and press login. On the next page you can find a green button saying link to your account. Click on it and wait a little bit. You will be prompted to link onmydisk storage. The storage ID is the same as previous page. Just click link and wait until you see a message in green saying storage successfully added. Now you're all set for the next step. You can upload a file either from your browser in onmydisk folder, or you can open the file explorer and add on Windows /connector/disks, or on Linux or macOS use SMB :/connector.local/disks. You can also check the files and the disks from the URL onmydisk.net :8000. Thanks for watching. You can find all the information of the device and the links on the description below. If you like the video, click the like button and the subscribe button